Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life. In today's tutorial, not only will I show you how to use the new cut and embossing folders from Spellbinders, but I want to invite you to the Spellbinders blog hop as well. In today's Spellbinders blog hop, you can enter for your chance to win a $25 credit to Spellbinders. The rules are fairly simple. You must be 18 years or older to enter, leave me a comment in my blog post, and the winner is responsible for taxes and shipping. I'll leave you with a link to my blog along with the links to these folders in the description area below. And in my blog, you'll find the links to the lineup. Enjoy the tutorial.